Hey there, my name's Belinda Matwali. I'm a meditation teacher, and in this video I want to share more with you about energy and why sometimes we feel so tired is because we are constantly leaking energy as energetic beings. So you can imagine we have this energetic aura around us, and as we move throughout our day, there are like tiny particles coming off our aura and leaving us. So when we are engaging with another person, there's an energy exchange there, and you're giving your energy, you're sometimes taking on other energy. When you're at a party with a lot of people, sometimes you feel really tired afterwards because so much of your energetic aura has kind of dissipated a little bit in that situation. And even when we look at things like traveling, when you're traveling on a train, even, you're going so much faster than what you would if you were walking anywhere, which is more natural for humans. So then if you think about traveling on a plane, you're going so fast, and often once you land at your destination, you feel really tired after traveling. And that's for a number of reasons, but one of them is you actually have lost some of your energetic body, your energetic aura. And the practices that I've put together in my Energy Now free mini course are all designed at helping you bring and cultivate your energy back to you. And there's a few little tips and tricks that I share in the audios. There's 5 of them in total. They're all under 10 minutes, so they're really easy to do, really easy to incorporate in your day, or incorporate if you are traveling, or if you've just come back from a festival, or maybe you're a mom and you've been with your kids all day and you just really need a few minutes to come back to yourself. These exercises are perfect for that, and I'm going to share a little bit more about each of them. So you can either check out the other videos, or you can go to my website, belindamatwali.com, and when you subscribe, you'll get the free mini course emailed out to you. So I really hope that you enjoy this. Looking after our energy is so important. Our energy is really precious, and being able to work with our energy, it's like understanding our body, understanding our technology. It really makes our life so much easier.